Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be doing a makeup video. I am not professional. I repeat, I am not professional. Don't judge me. I know a lot of judging goes down on YouTube, so let's just get started.
I'm going to be moisturizing my face with this.
Guys, I said the wrong name. Excuse me. Sorry.
So let's just get a little bit. I don't have a burger as my piercing. This feels so refreshing. Okay, so I do like to start off with my eyebrows, so I'm going to go ahead and do my eyebrows off camera. If you guys would like to see a video of me doing my eyebrows, comment down below and I'll do it. So
I'm back, guys. I already did my eyebrows. I primed my eyes, and I'm going to start doing my eyeshadow. And I'm going to start with this Morphe 3503 Fierce by Nature. We're going to start with the little brown color. This one right here.
I'm just going to start. Guys, if you guys want a video on my eyebrows, just comment below and I'll do it for you guys. Excuse all my freckles. And you just blend for a really long time.
Okay, guys, and once that is all on there, you go in with a darker shade. So I am gonna get this Morphe M330, and then I'm just gonna go in with this color right there, this one. I don't have the names of it, so sorry. And then you're gonna do the same, just to make it a little bit darker. And you keep on doing it till it's all doing the same thing. I just like to go like this. I know a lot of people like to do circular motions. So that's what it looks like so far. Okay, and then I'm gonna cut the crease. Actually, before I cut the crease, I'm gonna go ahead and do this eye off camera, do the same thing, so then I can just cut the crease. I am back. I already did the other eye, so now we're just gonna cut the crease. And I am gonna use this thin little brush. It's a light Pro Beauty. I don't remember where I got it. It's been a while. And this is my new Morphe one. I don't know if I want to use this one, a little lighter, so I am gonna use that just to cut the crease. So I do that. I put it on my hand, I go like that, and then I just, oh cielos, it dropped. I get my brush and just, dab it, and then I just get it. Now that they both look similar, I'm just gonna keep on doing this. I don't want to mess it up. Okay, keep on doing that, and then I'm gonna go back into my palette, and I love this gold. Look at that. I just tapped it. Okay, you couldn't see anything, but look at that. So I'm just gonna add that. I do get it with my finger, and I'm just gonna add it onto the crease. So I'll be right back. Thoughts. I was doing it with my finger, but since I have nails on, I kind of made a hole into my palette. So I just got this Morphe M124, and I'm just gonna
dab it in there and just put it on the crease. So keep on doing that. Looks super cute.
You're just gonna keep on doing that till it's all covered up on both sides. Then you're gonna go back to the palette and use the colors you used at first. So I used that one and this one. So I'm just gonna do it right here at the end. All done. I'm just gonna go in with this black just a itty bitty tiny bit. So one tap.
And that should do. And just put it at the end and blend. Blend towards the top. Guys, remember, I'm not professional. So I just do what I can. So you do it on both sides and you keep on
blending. Guys, I actually think I put a lot of dark black in there. I am blending it. I did change brushes, and this is the M433. So I'm just gonna keep on doing that. And it looks good now. So we're just gonna pop on some lashes and see how it looks. I got these Morphe in the style Go On and Fake It. Guys, I haven't tried these, but they look so cute, so I had to buy them. So let me just put these on. The lashes are on. I just get a wipe and I just clean
the bottom so I can take off like the glitter and go towards the end to make that straight. And you do the same to both sides. So I just do that like that. Take off all the glitter that fell. And that is it. Now I'm just going to start doing my foundation. And I do use this Huda Beauty and the shade Chai. So it's 210B. And I just get it and I squeeze it onto my hand. I get my beauty blender and I just do this. This is the Morphe Beauty Blender, guys. So you just do that. And you dab it all throughout your face.
Guys, I do bring it down to my neck just so that it looks the same. And I got some on my lip, and I know that might bother some people, so I'm just gonna wipe it off. And you just keep doing it throughout your face, on top. Guys, this foundation has some bomb coverage. But I heard now that you are done putting on foundation, so I do have this ColourPop concealer. I do like to conceal right after. It's a ColourPop in the shade Light 12. So I just do this.
That was a lot. And as well, I get the beauty blender and I just rub it in. And you just keep on doing that till it's all in and blended somewhat.
Okay, guys, I am almost done. There we go. So now I just do like to set it in. So I'm gonna get this Revolution banana powder and just do the same. I have this beauty blender that I ordered on Amazon. And I'm just gonna get it. It's dry, guys. And I'm just gonna tap it in there. Do the same thing. The nose and the forehead. And just like that. Don't worry about the eyes. I'll clean it right now. That is all in there. I do like to bronze. And I do it with this Morphe Bronzer in the shade Vlogger. It's a bronzer and contour. And I just get it. This is what it looks like. I get an angled brush. And this is the Morphe 48. Wait, E48, sorry.
And like I said before, I am going to do a giveaway once my YouTube channel gets to 200 followers, and now we're at 92, I believe. So, like you already know, like, comment, and subscribe. Let everybody know. And I am going to be doing a makeup giveaway. I don't know what it's going to be yet, but once I let you know, I'll post it on my Snapchat, and I'll let you guys know because it was getting really hot in here. This looks a little patchy, so now I'm just going to go back in with the little powder, and I'm just going to go like this. I am going to contour my nose. So I'm going to get this Morphe E62, go back in with the same thing, and let's just match this nose up. So everything's matched. And the same. Do the same for a little bit.
So I went ahead and applied mascara, did my under eye. I took off all the setting powders. So now we're gonna go on to highlight. There we go. And for highlight, I like to use my James Charles palette. And I like to blend. Oh, I still have the picture. I like
to blend these two shimmers and some of this. Oh, little. So I'm just going to get this brush and just go there, there, and do that. Keep it off a little and then just apply the highlight. And I'm going to go ahead and finish doing the right thing, putting it on my nose and this side. And then I like to get like a little flat brush. I'm going to use this one, the same one as when I carved my eyebrows out. And I'm just going to clean it and do the same thing and put it under my eyebrow, my brow bone. Same on this side. Wow, that was a lot. And then I'm just going to do the same thing and go into my inner corner with that highlight. Like that. Guys, that looks so good. And I'm just going to clean that. I'm going to use this little brush and just go like that. And attempt to blend it in. So yeah, that worked. Same on this side. Guys, and now
I'm just gonna apply lipstick, and I am gonna use this NYX in the color Lipply 17. So before that, I do like to do my lips. Now that I did that, they just look a little bit, I don't know, I don't think it works, but yeah, it does a little kind of. So now I'm just gonna apply this lipstick. Just a little bit. And you just let that sit in there for a little bit. And that's good. I just want to thank you guys for coming on here. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And like you already know, we're gonna be back with more videos. Bye. Thank you for watching.